Hello friends, in information technology our chapter is basics of information technology and our today's topic is operating systems for personal computers. So as we see that what is operating system? Operating system is a system software which is the interface between user and machine or user and hardware, and that is the system software, and this system software is also known as operating system of your computer. And today we will see which are the operating systems for the personal computers. DOS is the oldest operating system. We can say DOS is disk operating system, was dominant operating system for the microcomputers in 1980s and the earliest 1990s. For working with the DOS, the user needs to know how to input the commands using the command prompt on Windows. See, this operating system was not graphically enhanced. This was operated only on the command prompt, and you should know which are the commands to open any program or any kind of operation you want to perform. If you want to perform any kind of operations, then you must know the commands. That's why that operating system was not so user friendly, but there was not another option, so many of the computer professionals was using this DOS operating system. Another operating system is Windows. We all know the Windows operating systems nowadays. There are many versions of Windows operating system. Today we use operating systems like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11 is upcoming. So these are the operating systems in the Windows, and these Windows have many versions. See, Windows is a series of operating systems that are designed by the Microsoft company. The owner of the Windows is Microsoft company. The first two versions of the Windows operating system introduced in 1985 and 1987 respectively, where primitive Windows is the most commonly used operating system. See, we all use the operating system in our computers. Those are mostly Windows operating system. So you all know what is Windows operating system, right? Mac OS. Mac OS is owned by Apple company. Apple Corporation is registered with operating system is called as Mac OS. So the operating system which is owned by Apple Corporation is known as Mac OS. That is also a operating system. Chrome OS. Chrome OS is an open source operating system created by Google to create a better computing experience for people who spend most of their time on the web. On the web means internet. Those who are using internet mostly, they can use Chrome OS. This is owned by a Google. The Google is the owner of Chrome OS. Unix was a trademark in 1969 by group of AT&T employees at Bell Labs as a multitasking and multi-user computer system. See, this Unix is also a operating system, and this is a, you may say, freeware. It can be open, you may say it is a open source operating system. Linux is also a open source and portable multi-user operating system. Multiple users can access system resources like memory, RAM, application, program at the same time. Multi-programming operating system. It is very similar to other operating systems such as Windows, and a source code is available to public. See, this is a open source operating system, means this is free for all and open to access its source code to all. So these are the some operating systems which can be used in your personal computer. We will see the further lecture in next lecture. Thank you so much.